Welcome back to Noor Kids Got Talent. Now you might remember this past month we've been focusing on the topic of generosity. And to cap that off, the final challenge was generosity with animals. Every submission was of a bird. Let's see the first submission.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids. I'm glad I'm starting my birdhouse. And this is my birdhouse. This is the bird feeder. This is the rice where the bird is gonna be. And then in here is a little bed for the bird to sleep. And this is my birdhouse. I hope you like it. Assalamu alaikum.
Well, Ibrahim, let me tell you, I do like it. And what I liked especially about yours was you had different compartments for the different things. The food had its own compartment and the sleeping arrangement had its own compartment. It was like you built this bird its own condominium. You know what I'm saying?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salah from India. And I'm going to feed pigeons for Noor Kids. And I used to have a few pigeons that used to live on my dish and they were my actual pets. But then the cat ate all of them. So I'm going to feed them. Over there are some pigeons, so I'm going to leave some food for them here. Just saying, I know that they're dying. It's red dye, and I don't know what the yellow thing is called, actually.
Salah, that might be the coolest backdrop we've ever seen for a submission. That was cool. You must have a very happy cat, given that he gets to eat pigeons. Let's just take a moment to recite Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un for your pigeons and make a small dua for them. Ya Allah, please grant those pigeons paradise.
See this birdhouse that me and my mom made? We're going to hang it up over here, by this block. See, we put some seeds over there. There. We also made a little door for the birds to get in to make their nest. In the house of Noor Kids.
Khola, that was a nice, simple birdhouse. I must say, I'm more of a Danadar person than a Tetley person. Tetley's not bad. Wad Bakri or Danadar, you know, my preference.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids. I have put some bird food in this bird feeder. I will show you now. This is my bird feeder, and these are the balls that birds to eat.
You know what that birdhouse is missing? Okay, but for real though, that was very well done. Good job.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids. My name is Geneva and I live in Oklahoma, USA. Today I'm feeding the birds. According to my research, birds can eat oats, wheat-based cereals, nuts, and of course, seeds. Let's get to it.
Geneva from Oklahoma, yet again, another fantastic submission. I think it was super cool that you did some research to find out exactly what it is that birds like to eat, and then you put a little bit of everything in there and set it out for them. And we always appreciate your animations. Thank you. Well, that's a wrap for another amazing week of submissions in the Muslim Treehouse. If you want to enroll and take part in these challenges, you can go to noorkids.com/treehouse.
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm trying to call for the birds, man. I don't know, usually this works. They're not coming.
Well, it's like November and it's like 30 degrees outside.